Have you ever wondered how computers think? How they seem to do magic with our photos, videos, and games? The truth is, computers don't think like us. They need instructions to tell them what to do. These instructions are called code, and the act of writing these instructions is called programming. It's like teaching the computer a new language. Programming is essential in today's world. It's everywhere. From the apps on our phones to the traffic lights on our streets, programming makes our lives easier and more connected. Understanding even a little bit about programming can open up a whole new way of thinking and problem solving. Imagine you're teaching a robot to make a sandwich. You can't just say make a sandwich, you need to break it down into small, clear steps. First, get the bread, then spread the butter, finally add the filling. Each step is an instruction that the robot needs to follow in order. In programming, this set of instructions is called an algorithm. It's like a recipe for the computer. Code is made up of words and symbols that the computer understands. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. These words and symbols are like building blocks. You can combine them in different ways to create different instructions. These instructions tell the computer what to do with data, which is like the ingredients of your sandwich. Data can be anything: numbers, text, images, or even sounds. Programming is all about manipulating data to create something new and exciting. Just like humans have different languages, computers have different programming languages. Each language has its own strengths and is suited for different tasks. Some popular languages include Python, known for its beginner friendliness, and Java, widely used for building apps. Choosing a language depends on what you want to create. It's like choosing the right tool for the job. Want to build websites? You might learn HTML and CSS. Interested in data analysis? Python could be a good choice. Section 5. Choosing your first words. Deciding where to begin your programming adventure can feel overwhelming, but don't fret. Many excellent resources are available for beginners. Online platforms like Codecademy and Khan Academy offer interactive coding tutorials. These are fantastic for learning at your own pace. Don't be afraid to experiment. The best way to learn programming is by getting your hands dirty. Start with simple projects and gradually challenge yourself with more complex ones. Remember, every programmer started somewhere, and every line of code you write is a step forward. Section 6. Tools for the journey. To start writing code, you'll need a code editor, which is like a digital notepad for your code. Don't worry, many free and user-friendly code editors are available, such as Visual Studio Code and Atom. These editors offer helpful features like syntax highlighting, making your code easier to read and understand. Think of a code editor as your workshop. It's where you'll craft and refine your code. Many online resources provide guidance on setting up your code editor and offer tips for beginners. Section 7, your first steps into code. Let's begin with a simple example. Most introductory programming tutorials start with a program that displays "Hello World" on the screen. It seems basic, but this first step introduces you to the fundamental syntax of writing and running code. As you progress, you'll learn about variables, which are like containers for storing data, and control flow statements like if and else, which allow your program to make decisions. Remember, every programming concept you learn builds upon the previous ones, so take your time and enjoy the journey. Section 8. The power of programming. Learning to program is like gaining a superpower. It enables you to create, innovate, and solve problems in ways you never thought possible. With code, you can build websites, develop mobile apps, analyze data, automate tasks, and even create art and music. The possibilities are limitless. Programming empowers you to turn your ideas into reality and to make a real difference in the world. Section 9. A universe of possibilities. As you delve deeper into the world of programming, you'll discover a vast and ever-evolving universe of possibilities. From web development and software engineering to data science and artificial intelligence, countless career paths await those with coding skills. But beyond the professional opportunities, programming offers a unique way of thinking and approaching challenges. It teaches you to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable steps and to think logically and creatively to find solutions. So, take the first step. embrace the challenge, and embark on your programming adventure.